All right, we're going to try out these solder seal wire connectors. The idea here is that it will solder and seal your wires while connecting them. Color-coded, tells you which size wire you can use on each of these things. We'll be doing some blue, I think, today. Lots of the kinds you actually need in here. Instead of doing a bunch of the minis, they do more of the big ones. So let's take a quick look here. So basically this solder will melt and solder the wires together, and when this blue moves, you kind of know that the job's complete, and it'll all heat shrink down to a waterproof whatever you're soldering together. So let's try it out. Okay, so we got our little wires stripped. We're going to put them in the old tube here. We just want to make sure the wires are like overlapping when you go to put it in the tube, because we want to solder them together. So we want that little silver band to be over the top of both our wires. All right, wires are over each other. We'll take the heat gun, highest setting, and just hit it with some heat. Okay, the solder started to run. You can see it there, kind of creeping over. We'll just give it a sec here to cure, and then take a look at the bond. Yeah, this is a little tacky at first, so we gotta let her be. You can see that solder right there, running over on both sides. That's great. Now, what I would do after this thing cures, even though it is sealed, I would still wrap it with some electrical tape, just to be sure. All right, soldered through. We'll pull on it here. Nope, good connection. So, you know, again, I would probably wrap this with electrical tape, even though it's sealed. There's no wires pointing out, but it's just a good idea to wrap that up a little bit extra. So yeah, you can do that with a heat gun or a torch if you need to, but no soldering skills required.